Power bomb though.
That's what I'm doing. There we
Now,
go.
what's the difference?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Flashier. Mega Bomb is
It's
flashier.
flashier. Looks don't kill. Of course.
Ah, I got hit with a bone.
Well, might as well quick hit one. Multi-bounce him.
Yeah, there's dry bones. That's that one.
Use your power. Oh no, you can't use power bomb.
Yep.
Power bomb. Power bomb.
Ah, boo. Whoa, that's a 17.
That's 'cause
First our week, actually.
Yeah.
Smash your brain in. Oh wait, you don't have one.
It's just bones.
Yeah, it's fine, slam it.
I think you need a flower power.
He dies, he just crumples.
Aww.
Goes to dry bones.
You know what? One of them moves.
Yeah.
There you go.
Is it a trap? No, it's not.
No. Oh, you're gonna fight right away.
Yep. I don't mind.
You knew that.
Yeah.
Start storm.
Bring it up, storm. Boop, 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 boop. I think there's a dry bone.
Just body slam, body slam. Just don't let it matter, you didn't have to.
Alright.
You can,
Attack power.
yeah, just like quick camera.
Yep. Quicken. And then almost all of them die.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that was gone.
Yeah, it did. It just fell over. Can you power bounce him?
He's dead. Hey, jeez. He's still laying on the ground. Think about what he's gonna do with his dead life. I don't know. Ah, that's unfair. Yay!
Oh, yay!
Thank
How
you!
lucky are you?
Something must be up next then.
Probably a small battle. I just knew that it's a. Oh. Spin! No save? I expect there to be a save in that.
Yeah.
What now? It's probably the wrong path. It's definitely the wrong path.
Yeah. You gotta find safe spots soon too.
Wait, they can move over. It looks like you can.
We're gonna fight Hammer Bros.
Oh, jeez.
They got a lot of health.
Mega bomb.
Those dry bones.
Oh, you just gonna tap it.
Oh no, we're shrunk.
Might as well do the thing. What you call it?
Hmm.
Can't make it any smaller. Use your power bomb. Mega bomb, yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Cool.
Oh, so close.
Almost.
They're leveling up like mad here.
Now what?
because he pushed that there.
Ah, it's a trip. It's a trick.
Trip? It's an acid trip.
Yeah. That's it. Ooh, key.
Castle key. Now we can find a locked door.
Yeah, really though. We had no.
We can find a locked door or
Oh,
a
it's
safe
just
spot.
one on the other side of the room. Just.
These obviously don't move.
There was no locked room in there.
And it's good to double check just in case something changed. Yep.
Yeah, it's just a false room, just a trick with it.
Yeah.
So what's the locked room do?
I don't know.
Does he move?
Nope, I tried that.
So none of the other locks move. Heal. Trying to find a locked door, I guess. What's over? What are you doing?
I don't know. Oh, so here we go.
Oh, there it is.
Thanks, bud.
We didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Oh, of course.
Should we stop it here?
Keep going.
Alright.
Yes. Quiz.
Keep track of your numbers and colors. Okay. Okay. Two mistakes.
Okay. Ah. Game.
Okay. 3 purple Koopas, 4 Goombas.
3 purple, 4 goon.
Alright.
What are they? Blue.
Koopas were 3.
3.
Yep, that's 1. Alright, let's pay attention. Okay, 3 red shot guys.
3 red, 4 green, 4 blue.
Alright. 3 red, 4 blue.
3, 4, 4.
Okay. Which were 3 of? Red.
Yes. How many questions you gotta go right? 5.
We gotta get 5 questions right. We can only make 2 mistakes. Alright, let's pay attention.
2 red, 2 bomb,
And
4
4 shy guys. 4 blue shy guys. Let's see what the question is. Red, I'm guessing. Yep,
Oh,
that was a guess.
next time, watch which way they come out to.
Alright, let's pay attention.
Goomba came at middle.
Okay, 4 regular Koopas. 4
Koopas, 3 Goomba. No, 2 Goombas and
1 green, 1 blue shy guy.
no, 3 green. 2
Alright.
blue.
Right. Goombas were there.
2.
2 Goombas. We're good. One more right, we're good.
We can make a mistake.
Really hard one, alright.
Watch it. How many bounces on it? Okay. Oh, wow.
1 purple, 1 red, 1 regular Goomba.
1 Goomba.
It's probably gonna trick us with something. Let's see what the question is.
Which one did it go through?
How many arms did I just see? Just
2, 4, 6.
4, because Goombas don't have arms.
Yes, they do.
Those are feet.
Oh.
Goombas are just little mushrooms. We got them all right. Oh, the shame.
Now you go back and save and done.
Yeah, we're done for this week. Next week we'll probably beat Bowser.
Yay!
So yeah, see you next week.
See you next week.
Yeah.